Hello, Tina. Where is Tina?
Right here.
Say hello.
Hello.
Say hello. Can you look on the camera? Say hello.
Hello.
Oh, ano daw sasabihin mo? Welcome to my
Welcome to my
house. Oh, can you tour us on your house? What's inside your house?
room.
Where's your room?
Right here. Toilet. Shelf. Pillow.
Oh, sino daw ang katabi mo sa bed? Sino katabi mo sa bed? Ha? Sino katabi mo sa bed?
Athena.
Sino katabi mo? Who's beside Athena? Who's that? Who's this?
Mermaid. Bunny. Barbie. Peppa Pig. Pikachu. Mickey Mouse. Dolphin.
Wow. Halimbawa daw, ikaw daw si Mami. Ano daw ang gagawin mo pag ikaw si Mami? What you're gonna do?
Buy candy.
Can you prepare some food?
Of course.
Okay. Can you cook on your kitchen?
Oh no. It's
Cook on your kitchen. Can you cook on your kitchen?
Of course. Do you like turkey?
Okay.
What's the plate?
Where's your plate?
Um,
Where's the spatula?
a dog.
It's a bowl.
Wood.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, it's a bowl.
It's a spicy.
Spicy. Can you make it spicy?
Of course, Mommy. Here we go.
Thank you.
Very hot.
Okay, I will blow. Oh, can you blow it for Mommy? Good job. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, can you give me some chocolates?
And of course,
What's inside your storage box?
you like two candy.
Two candy? Okay.
Here we go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye. Crush.
Yummy? You want to cook some food?
Of course.
Okay, can you cook to Mommy some food? Okay.
What is the plate?
Okay, get some plate.
Come on, let's eat.
What's your food, Tina?
It's good.
What is your food? What is this? How about this one?
Great.
Bread. And what is that on the corner?
Food.
What's that? What is this?
Chocolate.
This what?
Candy. Drink. Popcorn. Candy. Chips.
Wow, that's a lot of food. Oh, who's your, visitors? Who's this?
Pikachu. Mermaid. Baby Pikachu.
Wow, there's a baby Pikachu.
Barbie.
Barbie.
Peppa Pig.
Holly, come on, let's eat na.
Come on here.
Let's eat. Or you're gonna call them. Wow, so many visitors.
Oh no. Mommy, what's happening?
It's okay.
What happened? Oh, Alice. Here, Profi.
Can you give some to Mommy, the carbonara? Okay. Pikachu. Give some to Pikachu some carbonara. Ask Pikachu. He likes bread. Okay.
One bread. One bread.
Okay, let's eat.
Pikachu is for you bread.
Okay, let's eat.
Thank you, Ma. Thank you, Tina. You're welcome.
Let's eat.
Oi. Oi. Lagi ako. Mommy, okay.
What are you doing, Tina?
I eat chips.
You're eating chips.
Because it's beef. It's beef.
Tastes good.
Yes. Yes, Mommy. Close, Mommy. I need to close the door.
Okay, you're gonna sleep na.
Sit now. No, get away.
Good night.
Good night, Mommy.
Good night, ladies.
Not JD. Good night, friends.
Good night, friends. Bye. Say bye.
Bye-bye. Go.